Hi friends, Namaskar. Today's video is all about the astrological transit of Mars, Saturn and Rahu Ketu. Mars and Saturn is the main planet of this year. So Mars and Saturn will rule this year. So there will be aggression and restriction both. The energy is very violent and irritative. Mars is transiting Pisces from April 23rd, 2024 to July 11, 2024. Lunar eclipse is happening on 25th in the Uttar Phalguni Nakshatra ruled by Sun, and solar eclipse will be coming on 8th April in Revati Nakshatra ruled by Mercury. And that time Mercury will be in a Gandanta position. That means in the last degree. Number 8 is connected with Saturn. Number 9 is connected with Mars. So this year number 8 and number 9 is very much important. Mars and Saturn will be exact degree on 11th April and 25th May. Mercury retrograde from 1st April, 25th April. The remedies, before I am going to the predictions, I want to tell you the remedies, because these remedies are very important for this year. Before bedtime, if you can, take a cold shower. Try not to react too quickly to things. Build up your mental strength. Meditation helps a lot during tough times. Listen to peaceful music like Indian classical ragas or any calm music you like. Wake up early in the morning. Meditate or listen to calm instrumental music. Join a swimming club or spend time near water bodies. Go near any water body like lake, sea or river and sit quietly. Offer fruits or flowers either in your mind or physically. While offering, think about your problems. Any problems comes in your mind first, then it triggers in the reality. Consider worshipping Lord Vishnu. You can wear a Spatik Mala or worship your chosen deity, or if you are unsure, consider worshipping Lord Hanuman. Plant a tree and water it every day. Find the tree associated with your birth constellation and plant it at your home. Take care of it every day. So these are the remedies. And right now, this is the chart. This is the chart of 25th March during lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse is happening in the nakshatra of Sun, and you see Sun with Mercury in Pisces. And Pisces is connected with Jupiter, and this Aries is also connected with Mars, Saturn. So over here Mercury, Sun and Rahu. So Rahu Ketu is involved over here. After that, during that time, maximum planets will be in the Pisces, in the watery Rashi, and Mercury will be retrograde with Jupiter. Saturn Mars is connected because of the dispositor theory with this house. And Jupiter is also connected with this house because of dispositor theory. Because Saturn Mars, why it is connected? Because the co-lord of Aquarius is Rahu. So and Ketu is also in the Mercury Rashi. So all the planets are connected over here also. So the manifestation of this solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, Mars Saturn combination, Mars Rahu combination is, in numerology, the number 8 is linked with Saturn and number 9 is linked with Mars. The energy in March and April might feel very chaotic. There will be air attacks, plane crashes, train accidents, fires, riots, violence and terrorist attacks worldwide. In personal life, you might misjudge people and experience miscommunication with loved ones due to impulsiveness. Be cautious with your gadgets from April 1st to April 25th due to Mercury retrograde with a solar eclipse in the Revati Nakshatra. This Mercury retrograde is particularly intense in this year, so avoid getting involved in controversies. There will be political conflicts globally with activists demanding their rights. War news might suddenly emerge, and OTT platform may feature stories of war, protest, patriotism, murder and robbery. Avoid unnecessary travel on April 10th, 11th, 12th and May 24th, 25th and 26th. Please don't take any important decision during this time. So these are the dates I have mentioned. See these days: April 10th, 12th April, May 17th to May 19th, May 24th to 26th May. During these dates, the world will feel very heated and full of arrogance. That is all for today. Namaskar.